But people who are in the market to purchase long-term care policies, as I would do myself, I would ask the long-term care insurance company that I'm considering buying from to give me a prototype of the policy, a policy form. And I'll be happy to read it for people and let them know whether I believe it's a good policy or not, and whether they're going to possibly have problems down the road with it. But I'm not. I don't really want to promote any particular company, because that's not what I do. I promote buying long-term care for sure. I think it's a critical thing to have, and I'm just telling people that from my own experience. So I remember when my father was in the process of buying his. We were working together as attorneys in the same office. I can still picture the broker coming into the office and meeting with my dad, and I was asking my dad, what is this man doing here? What does he want from you? What's he trying to sell you? And my father told me, it's a long-term care policy. I said, well, what is that? He said, well, if I ever need an aide or a nurse or something. And I looked at my father and I said, but you don't have to buy that, because if something, God forbid, ever happens to you, I'll take care of you. And he gave me his smile, and he signed on the dotted line, and he bought it, because he obviously didn't want to be a burden. He didn't want to be a burden. And he I guess he had the foresight, he did have the foresight to say that this is something that I might need down the road. And he bought it. And so from my own experience, I can tell everybody to inquire and get some long-term care insurance.